Cillian. Baby Cillian, what happened?
I dumped door.
Oh, you dumped out the ornament? What was inside?
It was into, and this was snowy.
Yeah, there's snow and glitter and pom-poms everywhere.
Yeah.
What do you think we should do, Adam?
Clean it up.
We should. All right. It is a big mess. Look, there's snow and glitter and pom-poms. What a mess.
Oh, the missing Papa.
Oh my goodness.
Just spread around for the clothes.
Yeah, you spread it around?
For Roomba to clean up. We have to spread around. Spread around for Roomba. No.
All right. Are you going to start up Roomba Shoomba?
Yes. No, Mama. If you get a clean up. They're not cleaning, Mimi. They're not cleaning, Mom. Turn it up.
You don't want it to. You don't want it to clean up the mess? We gotta clean up the mess, sweetie.
Turn it up, Mommy.
Oh, buddy, we gotta clean up the mess. You can keep playing with it while the Roomba's cleaning it up, though. Okay? You can keep playing.
Still falling in this. I'm still falling the snow.
Oh, you're still playing with them?
And the robot vacuum clean it up.
Yes, the robot vacuum can clean up the snow.
They'll clean up the snow.
He's gonna clean up the snow and the glitter.
Still, Mommy. There's still, Mama. I can't get them out. I want to get them out. It's been snowing. Don't go in the dining room, Mama.
Don't go in the dining room, Clark.
It's snow, Mom. It's snowing, Mama. It's snowing. Oh, that's barriers.
Good.
That's where it's snow. Clean up. It's the clean up. You see something in there? With snow. Look at that. Look at all
Let me see. Let me see. Is it a bunch of glitter?
in pom-poms.
Pom-poms? Let me see. Let me see.
Look at those.
Oh my goodness.
Just like those pom-poms.
Yeah.
It's nice and Mama. So we're gonna get all the pom-poms. Look. Glitter clothes. Get that glitter.
Get that glitter, Clark.
I got barriers set up.
You have some barriers set up? Let me see.
I'm gonna close more. And just get something. I saw some more. A big pom-pom. Clean up. Clean up, Mama. Clean up, Mama. Clean up. And the little ones. And the little ones, Mommy. Clean up, clothes. We made a clothes here. I want to get ready more. Well, we're going to do the pom-pom. Yeah, all those. With glitter. Pom-poms. Pom-poms everywhere. Glitter pom-poms. Get them all. Stick on them here. Stick on them. Get it, Papa. And then push your feet. To you, clothes. You, clothes. To you, clothes. To you, clothes. You, Papa. Don't go there. That's not mess. That mess. What is that mess, robot? And that's not yes. What's robot? That's not this. What works? When the robot man do the clean up doors. Don't clean up that one. Clean up the mess cloak. He will clean up doors. Oh my goodness. Then you clean up that one. Going to clean up that cloak. Clean up that cloak. The tiny nose. The tiny nose. We will just tiny nose, Mama. He does with the barrier.
Did you turn on the barrier?
Yeah.
You have to have the line facing out. You need to have the line facing like this, because if you want it to block the dining room, it needs to be facing that way. Okay? Yeah, there you go. Perfect. We could put a barrier in front of the hallway too, so he doesn't go down the hallway. Do you want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't you move one of your barriers to the hallway? Okay, and then the line has to be facing towards the hallway. Yep, perfect. You got it.
He will quit windows. Well, that's the father name. They'll go to the Christmas tree clothes. I think I can empty it.
Okay, let me see it again.
No, it's not full yet.
Look! Oh my goodness, so much glitter and pom-poms.
Yeah. Where's the pop-pop? Oh, it's silly.
I can't believe Cillian did that. Can you believe it?
Yeah. It's clean up. He's cleaning.
Look, the barrier works. See? The barrier works. Oh, kind of. There we go. Yeah? That's an angel. Cookie Monster. You can turn on the light.
Go ready for the robot. Get that. Let's get him how much we get up.
It's getting all that glitter.
Getting up a lot of glitter, a lot of pom-poms.
And pom-poms. That big pom-pom, it's having a hard time, huh?
It's having pom-poms with all this. Job. There's still more pom-poms and glitter everywhere. Still more. Still a robot here. It's still with them more. Wow. And look, another one. And there, that's a water.
You gonna dump it?
That can make a pile. Look at that. That's cool. Put it back in the robot vacuum. We're gonna get some more. He did all of it. He did all the pop-pops. Look at that. He did over here. Another pop-pop. Come get close. He did all the pop-pops. Away stuff off the clothes. She does with the barrier. See what it does with the barrier, Mama.
Okay, let's see what it does with the barrier. Here he comes. He knows the barrier is working.
Mommy.
You want candy?
Yeah.
For breakfast?
I want candy, Mama. I want candy, Mama.
There's also a barrier in the hallway. Test that one out. Behind you. Did you put it on the right setting? Let me make sure. Okay.
Let's see what this
Oh, I want candy too, but we don't eat candy for breakfast.
on the right way.
How about I get some breakfast, okay? You do it.
This.
Hey, record them slow, okay?
That's what Adam does, Mama. That's what Adam does,
Yeah,
Mama.
you do it. You do it.
Here's the old cloud. And here's the cloud going. And it charges and cords. When they're done with her test. The test is getting pretty good. 40% battery life. And a schedule. Where's those robots? Here's the video. For this video.
Okay, let me see.
Who's this for this video?
Whoa, that's awesome. Are you going to put it in the trash?
For this video.
No?
What?